Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you how to create DMV California accounts. So friends, go to Google, search for DMV and then click the first website. You will see this page. From here, go to my DMV, this option as you can see here, and just wait. Click on create accounts. When you click this option, you have step 1 to 5 steps here. Write your email address. I want to write my email address. So friends, this is the first step you need to do. Apply your email address. After write your email address, write again your email address. After that, choose your confirmation, continue, and then just await from steps. I have the DMV registration. Click resend confirmation link, and or can start over here, this option, and then click back against. After that, click resend confirmation links. So after that, friends, this is, you will see confirmation link in your email. Just await, open your email. After that, you will see your confirmation link, confirm your email address, and then steps 3, write your email and phone and last name, and then you click use receive text SMS, and then click continue. So friends, this is the third step, and then complete your steps, other steps. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget, give like and give share this